Hello, Standard 10, your Arun sir, and going to teach chapter 10, the nervous system, and it is part 6. Dear children, we have discussed about the control and coordination which takes place either by nervous system or by endocrine system. And in nervous system, two types of nervous system are there, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord, and both part we have discussed. Now, peripheral nervous system. And in peripheral nervous system, it is made up of nerves. Okay, made up of nerves. Now, it is of two types. Okay, one is somatic nervous system, short writing, and other is autonomic nervous system. Okay, and somatic we have discussed that somatic nervous system is of two types, and those two types are somatic nervous system is of two types, and those two types are the consist of two sets of nerves, and those nerves are cranial nerves, made up of cranial nerves or spinal nerves. And cranial nerves emerges from the brain and spinal nerves emerges from the spinal cord. It comes out from the brain, it comes out from the spinal cord. Number is important. It is 12 pairs and here 31 pairs, which we have already discussed. Okay, and the function also we have discussed. Now, we have to discuss about the second type of peripheral nervous system, and that is the second type is autonomic nervous system. And autonomic nervous system is also of two types. Those two types are sympathetic nervous system, okay, and second one is parasympathetic. Okay, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Spelling I think wrong. No, correct. Okay. So autonomic nervous system is of two types, sympathetic and parasympathetic. And let us discuss in detail about the sympathetic nervous system. This sympathetic nervous system, the nerves arise from the spinal cord between neck and waist region. Between neck and वेस्ट, गर्दन और कमर के बीच में. ओके, एंड spinal cord, from the spinal cord these nerves arise from spinal cord, and it is present between neck and waist. Okay, sympathetic nervous system. And parasympathetic nervous system is located at two places, and one anterior in the head and neck and other posteriorly in the sacral region. This parasympathetic, these nerves anteriorly in the head and neck, in head and neck. Okay, these nerves comes out. And second one, this parasympathetic nerves are present entirely in the head and neck, and other in the sacral region, posteriorly sacral region. Once more, try to understand. This autonomic nervous system is of two types, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system, the nerves arise from a spinal cord between the neck and waist. This part is important. These nerves are present between neck and waist. And in parasympathetic, anteriorly in head and neck region, and posteriorly in sacral region. Sacral region knowing lumbar region, sacral region, thoracic region, cervical region, sacral part of the backbone. So sacral region, these are present. And very interesting to know that this sympathetic and parasympathetic are just opposite to each other. They are opposite to each other. Think of, we have discussed about the adrenaline released from adrenal gland. And what is the location of adrenal gland? Present on the kidney, both the kidneys. And their adrenal gland is there, and adrenaline is secreted. And this sympathetic nervous system is influenced or is stimulated by adrenaline hormone. And you know, gives extra energy, speed up the heartbeat. So sympathetic hormone, if increases the heartbeat, the work of the parasympathetic will to decrease the heartbeat to maintain the normal condition. So understood or not how this balance is done? Sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for violent action, maar peet, ladai, jhagda, against abnormal condition. And parasympathetic is more concerned with re-establishing the normal condition of the body, just against the violent. If someone abuses him, he will become angry. Surely, because more amount of adrenaline will be secreted by the adrenal gland, and your heart will start beating faster. That is controlled by sympathetic nervous system. And other part, parasympathetic, this will control this violent action. So these two, sympathetic and parasympathetic, are opposite. And in table 10.1, you can see work of sympathetic is to accelerate heartbeat, parasympathetic retards heartbeat. Blood vessel, sympathetic constricts all the blood vessel, means dilate, and here it is constricted. Very clear or not? So we have understood about the sympathetic and parasympathetic. Now, next part which we have to discuss, that is some actions of the autonomic nervous system which we have to discuss. Autonomic nervous system is strongly influenced by emotion. Autonomic nervous system is influenced by emotions. What type of emotion? Autonomic nervous system is influenced by the emotion such as grief, anger, fear, sexual stimulation. Okay, grief, dukh, anger, very clear, fear, sexual stimulation. Okay, it is influenced, autonomic nervous system is influenced by such emotions, grief, anger, fear, sexual stimulation. And is it good? No. If emotions are continued for a long period of time, continued emotion, हमेशा दुख में, हमेशा डर में, then what will happen? Continued emotion may lead to high blood pressure. Blood pressure of the person will become high. Stomach ulcer. Ulcer means wound, ghav. Stomach ulcer and other trouble may arise. Depression. Very clear? So we have understood about the emotion and autonomic nervous system. Now, let us discuss about the reflexes. Reflex section we have discussed in the previous video. There are two types of reflexes. Reflex section. One is voluntary and other is involuntary. Voluntary are under our control and involuntary are not our control. Now think of the example, voluntary action. If you are watching TV, keeping remote in hand, you can change the channel. It depends on you. That is voluntary action. And many examples are there. What is the time? This is in a voluntary action. Coming to the involuntary action, which occur unwillingly. Okay, if some particle falls in our eyes, eye will be flushed with the tear. That is involuntary action. To wash this dust particle, when we touch the hot object, instantly drawing, that is reflex action, involuntary action. Shivering when it is cold, or dilation of the eye pupil to look in dark. These are the involuntary actions. And anything, any agent in environment which initiates a response in a body is the stimulus. Maybe physical, chemical, thermal, electrical. And difference between voluntary action and reflex action may be asked. You can see the difference. Now, coming to the types of reflexes after voluntary and involuntary, types of reflexes. There are two types of reflexes, natural and other is conditional. Natural and other is conditioned. Two types of reflexes are there, natural and conditioned. Let us discuss about the natural reflexes. Natural reflexes, it is also called inborn. No one teaches you. These reflex you have learnt yourself. For example, blinking of eyes, coughing, sneezing. Who has taught you? Khasna, chikna? No one. You have learnt yourself. It is inborn reflexes. Okay. And salivation, swallowing, peristalsis movement. Second one is the conditioned reflexes, which have learned. It is not inborn. Other name is acquired. Someone has taught you. Acquired. What you have learned? A smell of delicious food. Okay. Seeing your teacher standing and saying, "Good morning, sir." Someone has taught you. Okay. This type of reflexes are conditioned reflexes, which we learn during our lifetime. Now, conditioned reflex is what? Involuntary, spontaneous, automatic, brought about a previous learned experience. This is brought by previous learned experience. Now, let us think of this previous learned experiences or conditioned reflexes in detail. And you know, myself, I am a vegetarian. And suppose I am sitting and eating here sabji roti, and here you are sitting and eating chicken or mutton. What do you think? Water will come in my mouth? No. Why? I haven't tasted that. So I am not knowing the taste of mutton or chicken or non-veg. But if once you have eaten and you are knowing the taste of chicken and mutton, and you are eating there sabji roti and I am eating here mutton and chicken, water will come in your mouth. Understood or not? Now, one such type of experiment let us discuss, and that was done by one of the world famous psychologists, world famous Russian psychologist. One experiment he performed and found that what is and how we act according to the acquired responses or conditioned response. Very interesting to know. You can see the diagram. Here food is there and here dog is there. Water will come out, the dog will salivate because dog is knowing the taste of the food. First step. Second step, here is the dog and here is bell. The man is ringing the bell. The dog will salivate? No. No salivation. Second step. Third step, food. Get food and plus bell. The dog will salivate. Okay. And in the last step, only bell, the dog will salivate. Try to understand this world famous Pavlov's experiment. Pavlov, the scientist is Pavlov. Dog, if will keep food in front of a dog, it will salivate. If you will ring bell, nothing will happen. If you have kept the food and you are ringing bell, the dog will salivate. At last, if you will only ring the bell, the dog will start salivating, thinking that food will come. Now, other way, let me try to explain it. Related to dog only, this conditional reflexes. Okay, I am talking about condition which we have learned during our lifetime. Take two puppies. Okay, one outside, roadside, and one keep it in your house. दो कुत्ता का बच्चा लिए, एक को बाहर छोड़ दिए और एक को घर में पोस पाल करके बड़ा किए. ओके, नाउ बोथ विल ग्रो एंड टेक बोथ टू द फील्ड. दोनों कुत्ता के बच्चा को फील्ड में ले गए. नाउ रिमूव द डॉग विच वाज द स्ट्रीट डॉग, उसको हटा दो और नीचे झुको पत्थर उठाने के लिए, और ऐसे पत्थर करो. किसको? जिस कुत्ते के बच्चे को तुमने पोस पाल करके घर में बड़ा किया है. नथिंग विल हैपन, नथिंग विल हैपन. द डॉग विल जस्ट लुक. नाउ रिमूव दिस डॉग एंड ब्रिंग द डॉग which was on the street dog, और उसके सामने जरा झुक जाओ नीचे. पत्थर मत उठाओ, सिर्फ झुको. उसके बाद देखो वो जो पूंछ पीछे लपेट करके इतना जोर से दौड़ लगाएगा, भागेगा. बिकॉज दैट डॉग इज नोइंग कि अरे बाप पत्थर उठाएगा और हमको मार देगा. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? एंड दिस टेक्निक ऑफ कंडीशनल रिफ्लेक्स is used to train the animal, dog, even nowadays in circus tiger and lions are not used. To train lion, tiger, elephant, this technique is used and it is the conditional. Now, example of common reflexes in human: knee jerk, closing the eyelids when an object suddenly comes, withdrawal of the hand, peristaltic reflex, coughing reflex, sneezing reflex, and example is asked. Second is conditioned. Example: seeing your teacher, you stand up, tie your shoelace, playing on a musical note. You have seen when our Jennings sir plays guitar, he never sees the string. Our Joby ma'am, when she is typing, never sees the letter कि अरे A कहाँ है, B कहाँ है. She may talk to you and the typing work is going on. Not seen. Giving hand signal, applying brakes. Automatically you are going, riding your bicycle and one murgi came, you will apply brake. These are the example of conditioned or acquired reflexes. And difference between natural reflex and conditioned reflex may be asked on the basis of. Now, nervous pathway which reflex arc we have discussed, and one interesting thing, mixed reflex. Here, voluntary, involuntary, everything will be included. How? Try to understand. You are walking in dark. You are walking in dark. And your leg fall on a rope. एक रस्सी पर पैर पड़ गया. What will be the action? You will jump, thinking what? That snake is there. पैर पड़ा रस्सी पे, उछल गया कि सांप है. And there, what type of reflex it is? Voluntary or what type of reflex? Inborn means natural or conditioned. Both reflex. So that is an example of mixed reflex. Dear children, we have finished the chapter, the nervous system. Important question, 5 marks question, diagram of brain and diagram related question, diagram of spinal cord and related question, 5 marks, and 1 mark question, the difference between natural and acquired reflex. Okay, on the basis these questions may be asked. Thank you very much.